Good morning, good evening. Hope you all are fine. And I really hope so because what we have seen in the last 24 hours, it's been insane. Like, it's one of the largest liquidation events since 2021. And I cannot really say that I mean a lot of people actually lost money because 1.7 billion dollar of liquidation, a lot of people got liquidated yesterday. Okay, so I really hope that you guys are fine because we have been waiting for such type of event since a long time. Like I've been telling people that December we will get that dip. Okay, because you can see I explained this others chart yesterday that we will dip to 367 or 376 billion dollar level, something like that. Let me, yes, 367 billion dollar level. Okay, so it's fine. A lot of coins actually dipped a lot and they are recovering quickly. One of them is Ondo as well. But yeah, apart from this, of course you will find some coins that will look really good for after the per dip. Then you will see that okay, pain price action is slowly starting. Okay, so I tweeted about this yesterday that if you bought the dip, if you've bought the dip in leverage, then probably you will be up a lot, but just take profits because um in the last stream as well I mentioned and I explained clearly that in every liquidation cascade, if you want to buy leverage long and if you want to hold that leverage long for at least a day or two, then bid majors. If you want to quickly take profit, then bid meme coins or let's say some other alts that basically flavor of the day. Okay, so yesterday I tweeted that if you're up a lot, then just take profit. I don't know how people listened it or not. You can see people bid here, they were euphoric at this candle, then again they got dipped, they round tripped again, then again they got round tripped here, then the market results. Okay, so market will question your entries. Okay, market will question yourself that should you hold these entries or not. Okay, so do not, I know a lot of people actually round tripped a lot, I guess, and they have been booking losses around here, but this is not the time to book loss. Of course, if you got break even, if you got out in break even, then probably you will have a lot of stables to deploy, or else if you have been following that the December dip is coming and if you have a lot of stables, then probably this is a really good time to buy spot only. Okay, because I have been talking about this that seasonality is here, and in December, pre-Christmas, we will get this dip and we will ride this wave into Q1 of 2025. Okay, and Christmas came early, this type of gift that market is providing is huge. Let me go to Popcat chart. This dip to sub $1, this chart have been trading of course it's been trading ass, but sub $1 is insane. Okay, swept everything, it dipped to 0.9836 or something like that. But yeah, a lot of coins actually currently back to their daily and weekly support. And let me tell you, leverage long is not the way here. Okay, because it will get back to your entry again and again to question yourself, and in let's say next 2-3 months you will think again that why did not you bet this in spot. That's it. I'm not saying that this week will not really get run over, but I think that if you buy some spot around here, around here, okay, then you will better manage this. Okay, and do not look at charts. Whatever the coins that you want to buy, do not look at them chart because you will be forced to micromanage it. Okay, I have been there, I have done that I let's say in some days after the liquidation event, if I bought the dip, then I'll again look at the chart, then I'll be like, no man, this looking bad, I need to cut this, then again I'll look at another coin, then I'll bid that again. And this the same thing you will be forced to do if you want to let's say manage a intraday trades. Okay, the same thing that I've done with Pepe as well. I bought the yesterday dip. Okay, and we are up $500 in our challenge account, and I was like euphoric, man, we are really back. but then again when I saw in morning, it got back to our entry again. Okay, and I was like, okay, Pepe looks really really bad right now, it's looking heavy right now. Ondo is looking great, then probably I'll get back to Ondo if it's coming to my bed zone. Then after some times I saw Pepe that it got like it went up like around like 10% up. So this is the phenomenon that a lot of people must have experienced in their life, okay, in the trading journey. So like this is a very very classic example of micromanaging and missing the move. Okay, that's why of course that was a challenge account. I can like manage to do that because this is a very very tiny portfolio and it's just a challenge account. But if you do the same thing with your main portfolio, then man, this will cost you a lot. Okay, so do not micromanage things. Just if you want to like let's say buy like let's say 20 to 30% here, then no problem. Or like let's say 50% of spot back here, then 50% if we get another dip or higher, no problem. But do not leverage long here because you will simply bleed your portfolio. Because let me tell you, after a liquidation cascade, like liquidation cascade does do not really give pain to people because it actually provides opportunity. Like I can tell you that liquidations event, like whatever the liquidation event aftermath of liquidation event, that you see that 1.7 billion people got liquidated, 2 billion people got liquidated, that's fine. Okay, that's fine. But people do not speak about this phenomenon that after the liquidations, when people lost like let's say 40% or 30% of their bag, they lose another 40 to 50% of their bag by micromanaging, by leverage trading, by trying to trade the chop. Okay, you will not get the data of this because like let's say someone have a popcat bag around like let's say $1.44, okay, and it's down like 32%, okay, and he'll be like, man, fuck it, let me leverage long this tip because this looks really great and I'll make all of the losses back if we get back to here. Okay, 42% pump, of course it's really looking great. So what people actually do is they simply just sell their bags in of course, like let's say if they got wigged out in loss, then they simply just go all in couple of coins and they'll be like euphoric at the top, like whatever the top that like mean reversion top, then they go to sleep and they like wake up to like back to break even and they'll be like, man, I should have tipped. Okay, so this is how things goes. Like you will be forced to like micromanage things, but let me tell you, this will not go well. Okay, so do not do that thing. Okay, like others looking really great after this like retest, so I think we will chop a lot. Like this is going to happen. Okay, this is going to happen, let me tell you. uh will not be reverse, do not worry. Like this is going to happen, chop then up. Okay, so funding looks great, everything looks great. Like we are in a situation that if you wanted to buy spot back, then probably this is the very good time. People will have this mindset that, man, I don't think this is the tip, I think we will go to 90k, I think we will go to 85k. They will talk like this, no problem. But let me tell you, like, just have exposure to the market. If you do not like want to buy, like let's say at least buy 50%, at least buy 40 to 30 to 40%. If you have exposure, then fine, you'll be like, okay, even if it goes down, I'll buy more. Okay, but this is a very nice level, nice reset in the market, and have like 25 to 30%, like if you're like leverage trading, because in that way, if we dip again a little bit more, then you will have the opportunity to like leverage long again. Okay, so yeah, that's it. I just wanted to make a really quick video that like aftermath and how to deal with all this like price action. So if you want to book a vacation, go ahead, but do not micromanage things. Okay, have fun, and please do not like try to get all your losses back with leverage. Okay, like I have seen those things, I have seen many bodies get buried with this thing only, like trying to get their losses back. Okay, have fun, bye bye.